Hey guys, Dawson for OneWire. Today I'm going to show you how to send a web fax. So, once you've got your web fax enrolled with OneWire, all you'll need to do is open up your email that we verified for you and compose a new email. You'll go ahead and type in the number you want to fax to. So I am going to do 385-557-1700 at 1wfax.com. So once again, that is the fax number you want to send to at the number 1wfax.com. So your subject is going to be the header of the fax, and then you can either type in your fax right here, so this will be the body of the fax, or you can attach a PDF by just clicking attach files or dragging your PDF onto the email. It'll automatically convert it and send it out. In a couple minutes time, you should receive your notification, whether it went through or not, and then you're done. To receive faxes, you'll just need to check your email. It'll come in just like any other email from OneWire Fax. So you'll see an email from OneWire Fax. You open it up. It'll give you a preview of it. It'll also let you download it as a PDF. If you have more questions, please let us know. And please catch more of us on the web at onewirefiber.com and on our YouTube channel. Thanks.